Hi, my name is Manuel Vázquez Seijas. I was one of the founders of the Provincial Museum in Lugo, as well as the museum's first director. I guess I'm the right person to tell you about this place, where I spent so many hours over so many years. From this location on the street known as Rua Nova or New Street, you can see a magnolia and a holly tree of exceptional size, in the garden that bears the name of Anton de Marcos' sons, the brothers Fernandez Lopez. These were rich, progressive men who became the main sponsors of the museum, together with their partner Álvaro Gil Varela. This could have been the orchards belonging to the Franciscan convent, and here behind the trees you can see the outside of the old convent kitchen, with its typical large chimney decorated with skylights, which was built in the 18th century. It's also worth visiting the inside of the kitchen to see the large fireplace and traditional tools typical of great monastery kitchens from the past. This street where we are now has been called Rua Nova, meaning New Street, for about 8 centuries because it was new at the time it was built. During the 19th century and early 20th century, this was the busiest street in Lugo and still remains an important center for bars, restaurants and small traditional shops.